Study the given diagram and use it to find the value of r. Label side C and D. Thus, the product of B and the sum of A and B equals the square of C. For simplicity, the product of two secants of a circle equals the square of the tangent line drawn from the same external point. Given that A equals 12 cm and B equals 4 cm. Hence, the square of C equals 4 times 16. Take the square root of the equation and we have that C equals the square root of the product of 4 and 16, which equals 8 units. Hence, C equals 8 units. It implies that D equals R minus 8. Using Pythagoras' theorem in the upper triangle, we have the square of 16 equals the sum of the square of R minus 8 and the square of R. Simplify and combine like terms in one side of the equation. We now have an equation in R as shown on the screen. Simplify further to have new equation in R. Divide the equation by 2 and we have that the square of R minus 8 times R minus 96 equals to 0. Solve for R by using general quadratic formula. And we have unsimplified numerical values of R as shown on the screen. Simplify further and we have that R equals the product of 4 and 1 plus or minus the square root of 7. Ignore the negative value of R as length measuration cannot have negative value. Therefore, R equals to 4 multiplied by the sum of 1 and the square root of 7 centimeters.